मोपा मनोहर इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टार बेसिलिका ऑफ बॉम जीसस वांगडा चित्र दाखोवन वॉशरूम बरयल्ल्या स्टँडी खातीर लोकांच्यो भावना दुखवल्यात. हे कोणे मुद्दम जावन करूंक ना. हे काम एजन्सी करतात. मात फुडाराक अशी चूक घडपाक जायना म्हूण आमदार मायकल लोबो उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार.
Agency is not from Goa who does this work. It is bound to happen. They don't know the sentimental value of that religious structure. So they have just put it over there thinking that it is going to showing the direction of the toilet and the church being projected, especially St. Francis Xavier's Church, Basilica, is a wrong thing. Efforts are on to remove that and already informed. And I think by today everything will go like that. This thing should not happen. It is not done intentionally. And it is that agency is not G20, the agency actually for advertisement. And that agency doesn't know what they have to use it, especially where a direction for a toilet is concerned.